Hey guys, today I wanted to make a really quick video showing you how to add a new product in Shopify. So I'm in my admin dashboard and I've navigated to the products tab on the left hand side. And here, go ahead and press add product in the top right hand corner of this page. And it creates a new unsaved product. So go ahead and name it. I'm going to name it long sleeve t-shirt and give it a description of long sleeve. You can upload new images. I'm going to upload the short sleeve shirt because that's what I have on my computer. I'm going to give it a price of $12, cost per item of $5, and you can fill out all this information. Most of it is pretty standard and straightforward. And then once you fill out all the information you'd like, go ahead and press save in the top right hand corner. And this product is now active. If you want to change it to a draft so that users can't see it on the site, you go ahead and change it to draft and press save up here in the status part. Now I'm going to change mine back to active and press save again. If your product has different variants, such as a long sleeve and short sleeve or different colors, then scroll down to the variant section and press add options like size and color. I'll go ahead and do size, and we're going to do medium and large, and then save. Press done and save in the top right hand corner. Now you can see there are two different variants that have been created, a medium and a large. If you want to edit the information for each variant specifically, go ahead and click into it. And this brings up a variant editing page where you can add images, SKU, barcode, pricing, etc. I'm going to go ahead and go back to the product page. This is all the information that I need for my product, so I'm going to go ahead and press preview in the top right hand corner. It may say view if your store is live. Mine is still a test store, and this will bring you to the product page. Now mine says sold out. Why is that? It's because there is no available inventory. So if I go back to my product here and I add 10 to each variant and go ahead and press save. Now I go back to this page and refresh. It should no longer be sold out. Now this is a really basic overview of how to add a new product to Shopify. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. I can do more specific videos in the future if that would be helpful. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like and subscribe.